Hare Krishna. Today I am going to present on Rama and Sugriva's friendship and their agreement. This is by Raghu Jagai, that is me, and I have drawn the illustrations also this time. And the references are Valmiki Ramayan by His Grace Purna Pragya Das, and by Gita Press Gorakhpur I have taken. Yes. So Kapivara Samrasam. Hanuman meets Lord Rama. So this is picture. So what happened was that Sugriv, in the fear of Vali, whatever would pass the jungle, it should have been Sugriva used to say to Hanuman to check it if it is not sent by Vali. So this time he saw two people greatly armed, and so he was convinced that this was Vali's people only and who had come to kill him. But he didn't know that they were searching for something else only. So he said to Hanuman that you go disguised as a sage. And so as we know, Advaita has told us the story, so I will not go in this. So Hanuman takes Lord Ram to Sugriva. So Hanuman takes Lord Ram to Sugriva. Now Hanuman takes Lord to Rishyamukha, but now Lord Ram and Lakshman, they were really tired, So Hanuman said, no need to walk, I'll carry you on my shoulders. Even if he didn't have his powers, he was a super powerful monkey. So he didn't need powers. So he said that come on, sit on my shoulders, I'll take you to Rishyamukha. So then they sat on his shoulders and he took them to Rishyamukha. First, Sugriva, when he saw them, he smiled because he knew that he thought that Hanuman has brought the prisoners. So then Hanuman says that no, these are not prisoners. This is Ram and Lakshman, the king, the Rajkumaras of Ayodhya. Sugriva gets astonished. What? Now we'll take a little peek in Sugriva and Vali's history, because this what has happened, that they have seen Lord Ram before also. So this goes towards the history of Gautama Muni. So Gautama Muni, really, so Aruna, the sun god's charioteer, he was he thought he desired to be a woman. So because he desired to be a woman, so he became Aruni. And when Indra saw Aruni, he became so happy that he married her and fathered a child called Vali. So then Aruni again became Aruna and went to Sun God. Sun God asked why he was late. So he told the story. So Sun God also Suryadev also wanted to see Aruna in his Aruni form. And so when he saw Aruna in Aruni form, he could not bear to father a child called Sugriva. Sugriva and Vali become like stepbrothers type of thing, and they were given to Ahalya. And then Ahalya was married to Gautam Rishi. So they had, after that, once they were cursed by a sage to become monkeys. So that happened. And Hanuman's history with Gautama also is really good. So what happened was that Hanuman, when Parvati and Shivji were playing as in a role of monkeys, they're playing in the forest. So then surprisingly, Parvati got a child in her womb. So then she said, I don't want to mother a monkey. I don't want to be a mother of a monkey. So take this child and give it to somebody. So Lord Shiva, he gave it to Gautama Muni. So Gautama Muni means that was still not a child. It was just a thing in the womb, like that thing. So he said that I somebody who does great penances, I will give this to Lord Vishnu, Vayudev, and the Vayudev will give this to whoever he is pleased to give to. So he gave the embroidered Hanuman, he gives to Vayudev. Then Vayudev, after a lot of time, that he gives it to Sanjana. Sorry, Anjani. So then it was then she gets Hanuman. So this is the story of Gautam Muni relation with. And yes, Sugriva, when he was near Gautam Muni, that time Rama had once come with Vishwamitra Muni. Vishwamitra Muni, when he had come with Rama, that time Sugriva and Vali were playing in the forest and they had seen him. So when they heard his name here, they were astonished. What? Are you really Ram? Ayodhya's Ram? We have seen you, but you haven't seen us. Oh, really? I'm seeing you again. Lord, have some water, have some prasadam. So then Lord said, no, I'm finding my wife. Then again, Sugriva, he watched far away. There was a castle there. He was watching, like he was sad. So Ram asked, what is there? What happened? So he said that, oh, my brother Wali, because of an, misunderstanding, that's why Wali, he kidnapped his wife, Ruma or Suma, I don't remember her name.
Tara.
What, Praji?
Tara.
Yeah. No,
Maybe
Praji.
Tara is the wife of Vali.
Okay.
Yes, it was Suma. Ruma was wife of Sugriv, who he had kidnapped. So Sugriv was really sad. Oh, Vali is another Vali is like the another Rakshasa that has kidnapped my wife. We are similar. So if I save your wife and kill that Vali, will you save my wife and let me kill the Rakshasa who has taken her? Sugriva said yes. And he gave a promise in front of the Shivling. So Rama was convinced, and then Rama first he tried that Sugriv Vali, you go to fight and I'll shoot an arrow from behind and he'll be killed. Because I think he is a really powerful Vanara. So then Sugriv says, okay. So they were fighting and then Ram was astonished. What? They are looking like each other only. Like mirror images. So
Prabhuji, I also wanted to
Comments
say that
later. Hare Krishna, comments later.
Okay.
yes, Prabhuji. So he was really astonished that they both looked like same only. Just there was a mirror in between. So he could not say who was Vali, who was Sugriv, even if he knew. So he said that I can't understand. You both are looking same. So then Lakshmana gave an idea. I have this mala of Sita Maya. You can give this to Sugriva. He can wear it, and then you can fight, and then Ram will kill him. So Sugriva said yes. So he went that time. That time Ram understood who is Sugriva, who is Vali. So because of that, Rama killed Vali. So this is the picture. Now here you can see there is Sugriva. Here you can see there is Vali. So then what happened was that then after a lot of time, there 4 months passed and Sugriva forgot his promise in the front of Shivling. Ram got angry, but he said, Lakshman, don't first only get angry. If you softly say what has happened and now we can do this promise. 4 months have passed. Then Sugriva, if he hears, then you can go. But if he says that what promise and all, then you get angry. Then he says to Sugriva that what happened and he tells the thing. So Sugriva understands. Yes, yes, yes. You can bring Ram. I'll just call my Sena. So then Sugriva brings all of his Sena, and Jambavana, who was the king of the bears, he brings bears, and many other animals come with the Vanaras. Because that time in that place, Kishkinda Nagari, the jungle there, all the animals were loyal to the king of that jungle. That was Sugriva or Vali. The Vanar king. So after 4 months, Sugriva sends his Sena to find Mother Sita. So this is a Rama picture of Rama and Sugriva. Sugriva is the white one and Rama, as you know, blue one. So this is the Sena. You can see the blue borders. So that was the thing. Now let's see the last thing. It's like a poem of thank you. So Lord said that whoever hears this pastime, may it be me or you, will go back to Godhead. Super duper thank you. Hare Krishna. Rama Rama Jai Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jai Sita Ram. Thank you, Prabhuji.